Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Hangul HWP. One page, one button, free. An HWP from the government, an XLSX from accounting, nothing here opens them. Real LibreOffice does the conversion, so tables and fonts land where you put them. Start with the file, one at a time, there's no batch mode here. Word documents, but also Excel, PowerPoint and Hangul HWP, that list under the picker is everything it takes, and you don't need Office or HangCom installed for any of it. Above the picker is the part most converters bury. Your file goes to our own server, never a third party, and it's deleted the moment your PDF is ready. Hit Convert to PDF, a LibreOffice engine redraws the document, and the PDF lands in your downloads. Now a second file, a plain CSV spreadsheet. Same button, same page, same result. And the limit, straight from the tool's own FA question, this goes one direction only. It will not turn a PDF back into Word. 2 files, 2 PDFs, no account and no install, and neither file is still sitting on the server. Free, no account, and it works the same in a phone browser. Links in the description.